Well, after YouTube or video with Central, I have something I want to share with you all. I ordered an inverter earlier this month. It just already Central. Today I cleared off the C port today. It's an inverter charger, model name PIP 5048 MG. It's a 5000 watts inverter. It can take up to 4500 watts of solar array. Mini solar voltage up to 120. That's for the Mppt to work in the inverter. And then 450 volts DC, but you have to stay below the ratio. So that's for the solar array high voltage. Max input current 18 amps. That's a minimum you can push into the inverter. You mustn't go beyond that. That's for the solar panels. This inverter is way bigger than the first one I bought, the HS2424. This one longer and it's wider. DC input, that's for the battery. You have your on and off switch, your PV input, dry contact for generator, and this is for the AC in and AC out. You can use the AC in to charge your battery either with the grid or a generator, and the AC out to supplement your load in the house. This inverter can parallel up to 2 or 3 inverters. You'll be stay tuned for, I'll be posting a new video when I install it to see how it's working. I also have the software here for the inverter, the manual, the manual from Mppt Solar, communication cable, and I also have those 2 boxes I ordered together with the inverter. They came in together, so I brought them home today. Stay put, I'll open the box and show you what's in those 2 boxes. Here's what's in those boxes. It's Nissan Leaf batteries. I ordered more batteries so that I can add to my system, so I can beef up my system for more storage, so I can power my load and do whatever I have to do. So I will have more videos coming up soon for those stuff. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up, please. Thank you for my viewers. Thank you for all my supporters. Bye.